My name is Alison Shuman. I am the principal of Alison Shuman Media. I got into web design first when I was pursuing a master's degree in photojournalism. At first, I just wanted a website for my images. And after I took that first class, I was kind of hooked on creating things on the web. And even though I was pursuing photojournalism as a career, which I worked in for over 10 years, I always did web design on the side and kind of kept it going and tried to create different multimedia presentations with my own work. And then in 2015, I made the decision to switch careers and went full-time into web development and have been with NationBuilder ever since then. I've started as an architect and went through the expert classification and just built my business from the ground up with NationBuilder. And after about 5 years, I think, I was introduced to the affiliate program. So now I also manage my clients' nations and help them with problems that might come up, help them troubleshoot. You know, it started small and it would be just a couple of clients, and then I would do WordPress, but then my business has just grown and now it's 95% NationBuilder. Most of my clients are progressive nonprofits. I also do some work with people running for office, either independent or democratic. I didn't want to get into web development to go into e-commerce, and that's fine. People can do that, but it's very important to me that I work towards something, that my work is meaningful, and that I can use my skills. I mean, even as far back as high school, I was volunteering, I was active in my community. All through college also, I would do volunteering. And originally when I went into photojournalism, it was because I wanted to tell stories. I wanted to make a difference. I wanted to shine light on issues in our communities. It was a perfect fit for me, the niche to work with nonprofits. I know that I can bring a lot to the nonprofit sector just in terms of having a strong journalistic, editorial, photographic background, understanding of how to tell a story, because that's really what moves people to take action, to sign the list or donate or go to a meeting or whatever it is. If you tell that story, it will inspire people to take that action. The more I read about NationBuilder and watched the interviews with the founder, I believed in its mission and just saw a great opportunity for me. The plugins, the extensions with NationBuilder, with contacting your lawmakers and the action buttons, and it has everything right in there for advocacy. I think what is most useful for nonprofits is to understand who their supporters are. And with NationBuilder, having everything all in one place where you can easily see, what people are interested in, who's contacted you, who's retweeted something, who has signed up for something, and be able to drill down and make lists and filters and send targeted emails. It's just very powerful tools for nonprofits today. Until you have your system set up that way, I think you don't understand how powerful that is for your organization and how easier it makes your life. So you can focus on doing all the great things that your organization does. And I can certainly help you with planning, every step of the way with a website, starting with logos and branding, bespoke designs, getting everything up and on the web, and then teaching you how to use NationBuilder top to bottom.